To print the base real estate reviews report is very simple. In this case, you can see that in this software, it's laid out as side-by-side pages. Well, when I go ahead and click print, I'm clicking File Print, you can see this opens up here, and this is a Mac as an option, and it's already formatted to be on 2 pages, very easy. Now you could go ahead and print this to front and back if you wanted to do 2-sided or to 2 separate pages. Now in this case, if I wanted to print it to PDF on a Mac, all I have to do is click this drop down, click Save as PDF, and it lets me save this as a PDF to use in a digital format if that was what I was going to do. Otherwise, I can click Print, and it'll print right now. On a PC, you have the exact same options. All you have to do is click File, Print, and then print it, and you're ready to go. Now, if you want to look at some of the other options regarding how to export this as a PDF in a PC format or anything like that, check out the ebook in the real estate reviews area where we walk through the entire process, including this printing function and some different ways that you can use this as well. Now, one key thing I want to talk about with printing as well with this is you might want to add a couple things to this report, specifically the previous MLS sheet and a cover page. That is totally recommended and totally a great idea because it allows you to really brand yourself as well as have information where if the customer doesn't know their square footage for drawing that line up on the back page or what they paid for the house in the past, it's great to have that for them. But go ahead and click print and you're ready to go ahead and call your customer, meet them, and present this thing.